Lord, I was born a keto man, cutting out the carbs and doing the best I can.
Nice.
Was that a good one? Hit that intro. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video on this ketogenic channel. If this happens to be your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click the red subscribe button on this channel, then move a little bit over, click the bell, and then click the word all so you get notifications when we upload videos to this channel to let you know what kind of ketogenic stuff's out there for you. Like this one. We are still doing our tailgate series because we are in the middle of some slamming football season.
Roll Tide.
Of course, rolling tide in our neck of the woods, wherever you are and whatever you subscribe to, probably a protein, but
Could
whatever.
be country, because I think we have other people in different countries, so.
Did you say country?
Yeah.
Could be country.
You said wherever your neck of the woods. I said could be a different country.
Oh, yeah. So,
Wow.
I don't know if they do tailgating with soccer.
Probably not.
Probably not. Anyway, tailgating. What do we got today, Susan? For
We're
our
doing
contestants.
something that probably you already probably think is keto anyway. We're doing 7-layer dip. But
Count them, 7 layers.
we're not doing the beans. We're staying away from beans.
Right, the refried beans is
Yeah.
normally a layer in the 7-layer dip. We've replaced it with a secret ingredient.
No,
What is it?
there's no secret ingredient.
It is ancient Chinese secret.
Guacamole?
Wait a minute, guac's in the original, right?
Probably.
Okay, no, you're not going to tell them now.
There's no secret ingredient.
It's olives.
Oh, was that a secret ingredient?
Yes,
That's
she
a-
replaced it with olives.
That's a 7-layer dip too. Usually.
I don't. Wait a minute.
I think it's
We're
just
missing something here.
No, I just think usually they call it 7-layer dip, but
And it's maybe more.
Yeah.
Probably 10 layers.
yeah, probably.
The other thing is, what do you normally eat with 7-layer dip? Well, how do you dip it?
Chips.
Chips? What
Yeah.
kind of chips?
Nacho. chips.
Whatever chips you can get your hand on.
Yeah.
But that's not a keto lifestyle. So, of course, when we go to these parties, we got to go, what are we going to bring
We bring
to
our own.
dip this 7-layer dip out of to make our carbs, well, to make us not get into carbs.
To make us not have carbs. Yeah.
Right. Don't spike the blood sugar.
Yeah, so we make our own cheese chips, and there should be a card up there for our keto snacks. You can either look at that video or also the taco shell, because actually I did it more like the taco shell. I do the microwave instead of doing it, and I've already done those, so they're right here. I'll show you.
Yeah. We've made
It almost
them.
looks like a Dorito, right? 'Cause I made it.
Oh, that is a Dorito.
Yeah, so I nuke it in the microwave for like 3 minutes.
Yeah, and like you said, if you want to know how to do that, I'll also put a video at the end of this video, and you can click on that video to learn how to make these chips when you go to the party for dip. Rambler.
Let's go. Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1 pound of ground beef seasoned with taco seasoning, 1.5 tomatoes chopped, 5 packs of wholly guacamole, 10 green onions chopped, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and about half of a can of chopped black olives. beautiful. Look at that
Look at
beauty.
that. That's a beauty. Lord, I was born a keto man. Okay, you just saw Susan make this. She put all the layers down. It's beautiful. I kind of don't want to mess it up. It's a thing of beauty here. However, we're going to have to dig into it.
Look, you have a picture for posterity.
Yeah. Now, you also can watch the video to learn how to make these delicious cheese chips that we'll use. Oh, wait. I didn't get a Dorito one. Okay, yeah. There's a little triangle. You got the good Dorito one, didn't you? Look at that. Okay. So, cheese chips, since we didn't want to... Actually, you probably want to get a plate.
I wanted to dip it off in a plate and burn
But
it.
I'm like, dude, let's... Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's strong. It's strong.
That's why.
Oh, here we go. I got it. Ready?
Wait. I don't think I can eat meat. I don't think I got done like that. Don't eat over it. Wow.
Wait a minute.
With your crumblies.
How many layers did you go? I only got 3. Did you go all the way to the bottom?
That's right. Can we get
Hold up. I can. Oh yeah, you're right. The meat. Hold on. Okay. Made a mistake there.
I told him it was too deep.
I couldn't get all the way to the bottom because I forgot. The first layer of this beautiful thing is meat. Huh? You know what you need to do here? Look at this. You got to get a double.
The chips aren't flimsy at all.
That.
The chips are good and sturdy.
Okay, I got this. You need to hold this. You got one?
Okay, yeah, hold on.
Get you. Scoop it. Got it.
Okay.
Boom. Okay.
Ready?
Dink it. Boop. Here we go. Here's a good one. Y'all hear that crunch?
Let's go.
I got all 7 layers right there.
And you probably already know
All right,
that
guys.
this is keto.
Yeah, you already know how to make 7-layer dip. You've had it before.
But
so we're
listen.
not sitting there going, it's so good. You already know it's good.
Let me say something.
Say it.
You don't know what other people don't know. And the reason I say that
What
is
do you
because
mean?
I was talking to one of my keto friends, and we were talking about stuff, and I just made a suggestion. Instead of using sliced cheese, using shredded cheese. And they were like, oh, I didn't think about that. And I'm like, really? So
You mean
don't
substitute instead
Yeah.
of having, because she ran out?
Right. And so you don't know what people don't know. People might just forget and think, you know what? I can't do 7-layer dip because it's got beans in it. Well, you know what? Change the beans.
Right. And normally, I don't know what I don't know.
You don't know a lot.
Normally, I don't know what that
Anyway.
is. Anyway, that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the 7-layer dip. Hope you make this at home for the tailgating season that we're in. Also, the cheese chips. Make sure you click on the video right at the end of this video so you can learn how to make those as well. And let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Also, give us a thumbs up, a like, share this video, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Oh, also, don't forget, all of our social media is at the end of this video as well if you want to follow us over there as well. Until next time, remember, until next time, keep it layered with keto. Layered. Hey, I'm getting better. There she goes.